A roar, a sweep, and a steep climb. China parading one of its newest military assets in front of a crowd of thousands at the helicopter exposition in Tianjin, China's northern port city. And there was no shortage of colored smoke and pyro effects. It's a sight more usually seen being performed by fixed-wing aircraft. The pilots were members of the Army's elite Fenglai show team.
First of all, this is our first public show of Fenglai flying demonstration. We have performed successfully on schedule, under challenging weather conditions. We have worked as a team and made the show perfect, so we are very proud.
The Chinese-built two-seat helicopter has been in development for years and was unveiled last year. The country's media believe it's a match for US's popular Apaches. WZ-10 and its scout sister WZ-9 are just some of the aircraft from local and international exhibitors on display at the four-day show. Rescue helicopters were also on parade, showing off their potential. As well as the military element, the expo organizers say they are hoping for rapid growth in the civilian helicopter market. Any customers in the crowd were certainly given an opportunity, close up, to see what these machines are truly capable of. Britt Yip, BBC News.